Parts of the body. Health. Head, neck, shoulder, arm, elbow, stomach, leg, knee, foot. Parts of the body. Arm, arms, hand, hands, leg, legs, foot, feet. Hair, ear, eye, nose, cheek, chin, mouth. We have one mouth. Lips. We have two lips. Head, heads. Eye, eyes. Ear, ears. Nose, noses. He has a pain in his back. He suffers from back pain. He has a pain in his neck. Her head aches. She has a headache. She has earache. Her ear aches. His stomach aches. Dialogue. I have a stomach ache. Is it bad? Yeah, pretty bad. It hurts a lot. My foot hurts. His elbow hurts. I have a terrible migraine. I have a bad cold. He has a bad cough. He is coughing. She suffers from constipation. She's constipated. Poor thing. She's on the toilet. She suffers from hay fever. This woman is ill, or this woman is sick. She feels sick. This little girl has the flu. Dialogue. I think I have the flu. What are your symptoms? A cough, a fever, muscular pain. He has diarrhea. She feels sick. She is vomiting. Get well soon.